Uno. Perfect. Hi, Andres. Welcome to the MT podcast. Nice to have you here.
Hi, Jiaqi. How are you?
I'm
Where are
fine.
you? Where are you now?
I'm based in Barcelona. You?
Okay. I'm in Madrid. I'm in Madrid.
Nice. Perfect. So
Two,
both of us are in Spain, right?
yeah, two in Spain, talking in English, and living in home.
Well, we
That's
need
right.
to make MT podcast the more international possible, so we
Yeah,
can share our
perfect,
stories with more audiences, right?
perfect.
Perfect.
Thanks for inviting me. Okay.
For sure, don't worry. So the idea of the anti podcast is like do a quick round of 4 or 5 questions, and let's try to like go straight to the point and share your own experience. Okay. So
Perfect.
why don't we start with your background? What's your relationship with the chatbot industry?
Yeah, sure. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Botslovers. That is a Spanish startup with offices in Madrid and Bogota in Latin America. We have 3 years more or less right now
Mm-hmm.
working all day in bots. We created more than 100 bots, I think, and different sectors. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
and I think we have near to 4 million conversations right now analyzed in the bot sector, especially work with big companies normally. Yeah,
Wow, that's amazing. So 4 million conversations. That's a lot
yeah,
of conversation with users.
it's
So,
like 1 million per year and a little more.
yeah, absolutely. So among those conversations you were having, or your bots are having with the users, what would you say was the worst bot experience you personally have seen, and why
Yeah,
is that a bad experience?
yeah. I think we call this kind of bots. We have the no polite bots.
No
Yes, the
polite bot.
unpolite
Okay.
bots. That is I don't know. It's no natural when you go to a store. Nobody wants to know your DNI or your identification card or how much you win or this kind of question or your email when you
Yeah.
go to a
Okay.
store. But we forget that, and in the websites, these bots don't let you ask something, and they have to ask first for your email or your name or something like that. I only want to ask, what is if you
Mm.
will open tomorrow? What are you so no unpolite and ask me these kind of things in front? Yeah, first give me some information, and then
Okay.
maybe I want to decide. Yeah, we're going to give you more information about me. This is one, and the other one is the lazy
The
bot.
lazy bot. Okay.
The
What is
lazy
a
bot
lazy
is
bot?
like a lazy bot is the bot that you put hello, and the bot said sorry, I don't understand.
That's a typical one. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not a problem of the bot because the technology is there and it's working well. It's the training of the bot that is the problem, and the problem is they don't have there's enough training, enough data to answer simple question. Then is time of is a fact. It's only part of the training. Yeah, these two
Interesting.
kind of bots.
So the lazy bot, I think the
And
majority of the bots are pretty lazy in that sense.
yeah, 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 it's true.
So maybe talking about the COVID-19 situation, right? So everybody now is locked down in their home, and they couldn't go on the street. But how do you see the COVID-19 case affecting chatbots overall?
Yeah, yes. I think it's a good moment to really focus the bots in the things that they really add value. Yeah, because for example, we have clients that is using bots to help with the augmented demand. Companies like Alcampo, that it's like a Carrefour or something like that, is that they increase the demand of the questions and the issues about the supermarket and this kind of thing, augmented, I don't know, 1,000% or something like that.
That's
then
crazy. That's crazy.
This kind of business, the bot now is working more, and in the same way I'm helping with the support and the customer assistant. But bots that it dedicate to things that they don't give value, maybe other promotional bots or something like that, or bots that they don't interact a lot with the users, then they will take off this bot, but because it's a cost that we have, and the bot is not working really well. Then this opportunity will separate the good bots for the lazy bots, for say in one way. I think this is one opportunity. And the other opportunity is we are using this time to create this bot express service that is try to do in one day, one bot with the
one bot per day. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you doing that?
Is use bots for frequently asked questions, and we reuse our base of knowledge, and for e-commerce, retail, we can, or for web, general for website, for companies that needs the user needs help in the web pages, probably. They could ask a bot within 20, 30 frequently asked questions could be done in one day, and it could be working.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you are building so many bots, and obviously there are a lot of opportunities, right? But what are some of the challenges you still see that bot as an industry is facing?
Yeah, I think the one of the biggest is that it's too easy right now. Create a bot, it's too easy. There are a lot of tools. There are a lot of platforms, and that you can easily do a simple bot fast.
Yes. Okay.
But this POC or this proof of concept are good enough. But the problem is when you really try to put it into the company and is part of the real process, and the problems begin there. Then cross the line from the POC or the proof of concept to the production bot, to the real bot, is a challenge. Then not all people is doing well this part. Then that's one of the reasons the bots disappoint a lot, because they don't really pass to this test of the real production.
Because what are some of the challenges when trying to move from POC to a real world?
Yeah, the problem is that we are not working with data from the beginning.
Okay.
We create the bots like the bot that is creating is like a software product, and this is not anymore. Chatbots and bots in general is two parts. Is conversation plus data.
Okay.
This is and then we forget
the
data
can damage the experience.
There are no enough data that you can use to begin a bot. You have to expose the bot without this knowledge and learn from the users, and this is a problem.
Okay.
I think. Yeah.
But as you mentioned, a lot of big businesses, they have a lot of data. Wouldn't those data be useful for the bot, or you are talking about a different type of data?
Yeah, they have a lot of data, but they don't have prepared for the bot.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Those data are not like compatible with the bot.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, I see the point here.
This is the point.
Yeah.
It's one of the things.
And maybe my last question here is because a lot of people share some sort of opinion about the future of bots. But I think I'm more interested in knowing about the contrarian opinions, opinions that not a lot of people agree on, but if you are right about it, it could make a huge difference, right? So in your opinion, what would be a contrarian view you have about the future of chatbots?
Yeah. Okay. I think people normally relate bots with the IT part of the companies, the technology part of the companies. Then it's true that bots are technology and use artificial intelligence or no, but it's part of the technology. But this is not about technology. It's about the strategy of the company. It has to be like a more global decision. Yeah, a more profound decision. Is like no, it's talk with the IT guy to connect your bot in the web, and the budget is related with this idea. And then no, it's this. You're gonna open a new channel and you're gonna automate your conversation with the clients, and your clients, your business depend on this client. Then it's not a simple decision; it's a strategical decision. Then don't begin from the IT perspective. Begin from the strategy of what they need to do a better service with the clients, or to get. I think in general we begin this. Okay, this is the people from the bots. Go to the IT. No, I think this is not the beginning.
So could be something like that. You will need buying from the executive team to really discuss on a strategic level how should implement the bot and what's the implication, not just purely from the technical perspective, but maybe from the business perspective, from the customer perspective.
Exactly.
How should the bot providing value, and what are the opportunities you can get with the bot, right? So all these people usually don't think about it.
Yes, because normally it's like no, it's a technical integration. Then okay, put it in the website or in the app.
Yeah.
And, but no, it's I think okay. We want to be part of the business more than only the technology.
Absolutely. So do you want to share any final words with our audience? Maybe you can share a little bit about the Bot Express service you have.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bot Express is really a good opportunity for those companies that are beginning to think, okay, a bot could be a good idea, but I don't have enough budget to do that. And right now is a problem. Now, Bot Express is the cost for Bot Express is 500 euros for one bot during 1 day, and we give you the training to don't have to depend on us for the maintenance of the bot. Then we train it to the bot, we deliver the bot, publish in the channel that they choose, WhatsApp, web, Facebook, and give you the information to maintain. And this is, I think, is our
to contribute.
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you. Yeah, our way to contribute to this situation.
It's interesting.
And
because
and I think
like, here because it seems like you are trying to tell people how to fish instead of just giving them fishes, right? So it's always interesting how to know doing something, and then later on they can do it by their own, rather than just you do it for them, because they will always depend on you. Is that
exactly that's the point
here?
Yes, because it's useful for everyone that people understand the bots and understand the technology behind the bots, then they will be better for the whole ecosystem. Yeah,
Perfect.
this is our is botslovers.com/bot express.
Perfect.
Bot
Maybe
express.
we can share also a link in the podcast
Thank you.
description. Okay, and then everybody who want to check out about the service can go to the website. Okay, perfect. So
Great,
thank you for
great.
sharing.
No, thank you, Jiaqi. Thank you very much, and thanks for doing these kind of things. I think it's very good, and congratulations from Landbot. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.